In today's video, how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. Restart your network hardware and computer. Unplug your modem and router completely. Turn off your computer. Wait 30 seconds. Plug the modem in first. Then the router. Turn your computer back on. Reset IP and flush DNS. Type CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click Command Prompt. And select Run as administrator. Type ipconfig/release and press Enter. Type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Type ipconfig/flush TNs and press Enter. Type netch winsock reset and press Enter. Type netch int IP reset and press Enter. Then restart your computer. Check adapter and DHCP settings. Press Windows key plus R. Type ncpa.cpl. And hit Enter. Right-click your Ethernet connection and select Disable. Wait a few seconds. Then right-click and choose Enable. Right-click Ethernet again and choose Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP by IPv4. And make sure both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Reinstall network drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click your Ethernet adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC so Windows automatically reinstalls a fresh copy of the driver. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.